Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Yes. Okay, let's start today's lecture. Inshallah. Bismillah. Six. Okay. So where we stopped last class is the method of section. We are doing an example, right? We are doing an example. That is our example. Delay. Okay, we are last class we started a example. The example last class we studied, and we are doing the method of section. We are introducing the method of section, right? Method of section. Now, method of section, I explained something on method of section. So let's start it now again. The first question is, are you with me? First question is what to find? Find force FGE. They're asking us to find FGE, find FGE, find FGC, and FBC equal to how much the result and magnitude and tension or compression. So they are the magnitude, and it is tension or compression. We don't. That is, we have to find it first. Okay. First, doing that, we have to find the section. We have to. The section is recommended here. Instead of the section, first we find the reaction force, and this is the pin joint. This is the pin or hinge joint. Pinned or hinge, whatever you can say, whatever you want to say, hinge joint, and this is the roller. This is the roller, and you know that in roller there will be the only one reaction, dB, and here will be the RA vertical and RA horizontal, right? RA horizontal will be. So first we find the reaction forces, right? So we take moment at A. Suppose we take, last class we did it, we studied it, maybe we couldn't finish it. So moment at A, if we take moment at A, RAH into 0, the force, this is the force, it will be 0, plus RAV into, this is the distance also 0. So then we have what force? We have 12,000. We have 1200, and with respect to A, it is rotating which direction? Clockwise. So minus into, we have distance 8. We have distance 8. Then we have another force is, this is also rotating clockwise direction. So minus 400 into the distance is here to here. How much the distance? 3 meters, right? And we have what else we have? We have RAV. So this will rotate anti-clockwise. So it is plus R B equal into distance is 12 equal to, there is no other force, so it is 12 0. So now tell me what is the result for RDV. Please tell me, please. I think yesterday you have done it, so tell me the result. Divided by 12 equal to how much? Tell me quickly. Please be quick. Tell me what is the result. Someone is answer me here. Let me check. What did we say here? 900, right? Correct. Result is 900. Okay. So 900 is R 900 upward, right? 900 Newton. Okay, 900. All right. Now, if you remember last class we said you that we will make we make the truss. First with section means we'll cut it. We will cut the section, but where we'll cut, the technique is we will cut in a section where we can get the maximum unknown cut, right? Maximum unknown cut. So if they're already given the A section, the exam it will be not given. Exam you have to understand. So if we now cut two parts, so one will be the left hand side, one of the left hand part. What will be like this? Left hand part will be like this. If we draw the left hand free body diagram of left hand side, so this will be like this, okay, like this and this, okay. And if we draw the now right hand side, I draw it here. If we draw right hand side, if we draw right hand side, okay, so another one this, another one this, and this, and then this. So this will like imaginary be connected here, right? So E D here is RDV, as you said, 900 Newton, and here is 12 Newton, 1200 Newton. Here is 400 Newton, right? Plus when we are doing, you suggested that we should start with the right hand side. You will get same result if you either do the right hand side or left hand side. You will get same result if your calculation, everything is correct. If it is not same result, that you have to understand somewhere you have done a mistake, right? FGC, and this is FBC. All right, and here it will be like this. Remember, must have to be remember the both sided. When you draw the free body diagram, the cut section must have the opposite direction for equilibrium, GC, right, and FBC. Okay, so let's just start with the right hand side. We forget this for this time, and if we go to the left hand side, now yesterday maybe I asked you what is this angle, and someone has told me already. If it is, we assume theta is this angle, theta is this angle, this angle is theta. So what will be our theta angle? Can you tell me, please? I can remember someone has calculated and told me before that one. So theta is, okay, fine. Theta is actually 3/4 and 36.86 degree. Now, if we take the summation of well, now here, as I told you, Section method is based on the experience. From here, you need to be tricky that which one will make your life easier, which one will make your life easier, right? If you take summation of horizontal or vertical, summation of horizontal, or summation of vertical, which one will be easier for you from the experience? From my experience, I tell you, it will be, if you at this time at the beginning, if you take summation of vertical, it will be easier. Why? You see, if you take summation of horizontal, you see, so this force will come in the calculation. This will not come. If you take the horizontal, this will not come. But you will have FBC. FBC is horizontal force, and FGC is a horizontal force, and FGC this component, horizontal component. So there will be three unknown. So FGE, FGC cos theta, and FBC. So there will be three unknown will come in our equation. So in that sense, if we take summation of vertical, it will be much more easier. Why? I show you. I write down, right? If we take the summation of vertical, so automatically this will be cancelled out, right? Because it is horizontal. This will be also cancelled out, horizontal. We will have only vertical component of FGC. So FGC will be sine theta. Theta means 36.8. I'm going to say 86 degree. And vertical component we have minus 1200. Another, this will also not come because it's the horizontal component, and plus we have 900, and there is no other forces, so equal to, we can write 0. See, now we have only one unknown, so it is much easier to solve now, right? So solve this problem and tell me what is the GC value. What is the GC, right? GC equal to 1200 minus 900 divided by sine 36.86 degree. Tell me the result, please. Minus, why it's minus? Tell me. It's minus or plus? Tell me more clearly. Sign, you said plus. Okay, fine. So plus 500. So what is it? Is tension or compression? Tell me. Tension or compression? Ali Jawad, Kamal Ashraf, Hussain Jawad. Now tell me, it is plus. It is. We got the plus result. So it is tension or compression? Tension. Thank you. Tension. Because we assume toward of the joint. It's going out of the joint, and out of the joint means tension, and we assume out of the joint we got plus result. So that means it is tension. Now we know already one value. Now we can take the horizontal. Right? If we take horizontal now, I think it will be much easier now because we already know one value. Right? But actually I will not take even horizontal. I show you now one more trick. Now, if you take the horizontal force, what will happen? If you take horizontal force? What will happen? Again, we already know the FGC value. We have now two unknown. FGE is unknown, and FGC already we know the value. FGC we know the value 500 tension, and another is FBC. Still we have two unknown. If we take horizontal forces, if we take FH0, we'll have two unknown. So we go to for much easier one, so that we have only one unknown. I will show you that what is the trick and how to do it. Now I will tell you. You see that I have drawn a dotted line. Before. Here, this is the dotted line, and this is connected here at G. This is the point at G. Now you see, I will take moment at G. Why? Instead of taking the, I am not taking summation of horizontal. I didn't take it, right? Without taking the horizontal, I choose to moment at G point. And why? Can someone understand? We take M. Yes, we will take moment. Yes, we will take moment. But can you or someone tell me what is the advantage if we take moment? Tell me. Can anyone tell me what is the advantage? YG, yes, YG, yes, that's the question. YG. Why not other point? Why not other point? Tell me. Find BC. Yes, we will find BC. Yes, answer. It's somewhat near, almost correct answer. Hussain Jawad. Your answer is almost correct, but still more. I want more clear answer. YMG. If you can answer, it's good. Otherwise, I will tell you the answer. This is a good trick. Can someone tell me? Hussain Jawad is to find ABC. Hussain Jawad answer is 90% correct, but I want more clear answer. If someone can tell me. Because less unknown, yes, Abdullah Saleh. How it will be less unknown? Yes, less unknown, but how it will be less unknown? Tell me, please. Here are other forces. Yes, Hussain Jawad is correct. Is still correct. Yes, you are correct. How it will be? I am telling you, correct. All of your answer is correct. Now, look. If we take at moment G, what is happening? Moment at G. So first we have FGE force. FGE force. FGE, right? Sorry, FGE. Now FGE into, because we are taking the same point, so distance is 0. So this is cancel out, right? Then we take FGC. F plus FGC. GC is going through the point G. So this is also distance 0. So two unknown we make 0, right? So then we have what force? We have FBC. So FBC. So with respect to point G, the F is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise? Tell me. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Plus or minus? Plus or minus? Tell me. Plus. How come plus? With respect to point G, this is G. It is minus. Yes, minus into. So distance is this distance. Distance is here to here, and this distance is 3 meter. Okay. So FBC. Then so this is we have F 400. So plus 400 also is through the point G. So 0. So 400 also cancel out, right? Then we have 1200 force. So 1200 force also rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. So minus 1200 into, from G point G 1200 distance is 4 meter. Then what else we have? We have 900 force. It is with respect to G is rotating. It is rotating anti-clockwise. So plus 900, and from G distance is 8. There is no other force, so we can write 0. Now from here you find the FBC. Tell me what is the FBC. Tell me. Calculate and tell me what is the FBC value. Please tell me FBC value. Tell me please, what is the result? I'm waiting for you. Plus or minus? Tension or compression? Tell me. Tension or compression? Plus or minus? Okay, so you got result 800. Fine, 800, but you didn't tell me it is plus or minus. Kamal Ashraf said it is plus. Abdullah Abdul Nasir, you said minus. Tell me the correct one, please. Plus or minus? Tension or compression? It is resulted 8 plus 100 or minus 800? Minus 800, right? Minus. So it is minus, right? When it is minus, you write like then this answer is like this 800. See, and at the same time you must have to change the direction, otherwise you are going to do mistake, right? You must have to change the direction, okay, like this. Okay, so do two things together. You change the direction, and here you write the plus 800 and compression. Now, so everyone clear? So how we got the BC? So BC result is this, right? So now we got the BC result correct. We got the FGC now. FGC. Now only G is remaining, right? Only G is remaining. Now we can use summation of F horizontal. Now if you use summation of horizontal, now we can use summation of horizontal and positive force. Then we can we have only one unknown, and it is almost easy. So BC equal to I think our picture become clumsy, so I make the new and detailed picture. I make new and detailed. So what is the detail? Here will be like this. Here it is 900 the vertical force. Here is 400 Newton. Here is 1200 Newton, and here correct is FBC, and this is FGC, and here is FGE. Okay, this was the thing start. Now FGC. Now we will do now summation of F horizontal equal to 0. If we do right now, so what we'll get? So FGC BC equal to, you said 800 compression, and this is how much you said? I forgot, you said something 500, right? GC you said 500 tension. So tension is correct. It is going out of the joint. It is compression going towards the joint, and FGE. So we have only one unknown, and now we can easily solve it. So if we take summation of horizontal is 0, so FGE, it is left side, so minus FGE, right? Plus 400 plus 400 plus 400. This force will not come in the count, will not count because it's vertical. This is also not counted as vertical. Then we have, this is the theta angle, right? Then minus FGC. FGC is 500 actually, and it is cos 36.86 degree. It's 86. So what else we have? We have minus 800. This is FBC. So this is what FGC, and minus 800. Minus 800 is actually what it is? FBC. Minus it is plus because it is right side. Now what else? What force we have else? Any other horizontal force? I don't see any other horizontal force. We don't have, so 0. Now only one unknown we have. So you calculate and tell me please the FGE. Tell me the result. Calculate. Tell me the result. plus or minus. Tension. Hussain Ali bin Hussain Alawi, he was saying it is 800 tension. Right? 800. And that means you got plus answer, right? 800 tension. So if it is tension, so we don't need to change the direction as it is. Now we got three answer, right? These three were required question. These three was they asked me three questions. So we got this one's answer, and where is answer? We got answer, right? Compression. Any questions so far? Here is we got three answer we already got, right? Any question you have? Tell me please. Now you respond please to your name call. I am asking your name for your attendance. Please tell me. Muhammad Hafiz here? Yes. Muhammad Abdul Aziz Mazen? Umail Hussain? Umail Hassan? Umail Hassan? You are absent. Muhammad Abdul Aziz bin Hussain? Muhammad Abdul Aziz? Muhammad Abdul Aziz absent. Muhammad Ahmad bin Abdul Rahman? Muhammad Yusuf? Muhammad Yusuf? Muhammad Yusuf absent. Muhammad Sami? Muhammad Sami bin Sulaiman? Ahmad Tahir? Ahmed Tahir? Ahmed Tahir absent. Abdullah Muhammad? Abdul Malik Khalid? Umar Abdul Aziz? Ali Abdul Munaim? Isa Abdullah? Yahya Abdullah? Mohanna Walid? Talal Jamal? Saad Usama? Saad Usama? Hussain? Ali bin Hassan? Hussain? Ali bin Hussain Alvi? Alvi is here, yes. Saad Usama is not here. Faris Fahad? Abdul Hadi? Abdul Hadi? Absent. Abdulillah? Abdulillah is there. Ali Jawad? Hussein Abdullah?
دكتور يا أمير عبد الهادي جابر المري.
Abdul Hadi?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Ahmad Mazhar, right? Abdullah Saadun? Abdullah Saadun?
Doctor, I still absent. You didn't remove the yes, thank you.
Abdullah Saadun? Yes. Ahmad Dia? Yes. Muhammad Salah? Hussain Jawad? Hussain Jawad? Hussain Jawad is here. Yes. Ahmad Abdul Rahman? Faraz Fadel? Abdullah Saleh? Okay, so 32. Saad Muhammad? Abdul Munaim? Abdullah Saad? Umar Wahid, Muhammad Shabir, Shamsan Saleh, Umar Ahmad bin Omar, Jamal Rayet, Kamal Ashraf, Umar Usama, Abdullah Abdul Nasir, Musa Muhammad, Abdullah Saeed. Okay. Now I am double checking the absent person. Kamal Hussain. Kamal Hassan. Kamal Hassan. Muhammad Abdul Aziz bin Hassan. Muhammad Abdul Aziz, absent. Muhammad Yusuf. Muhammad Yusuf. Ahmed Tahir. Ahmed Tahir. Saud Usama. Saud Usama, absent. So absent. I confirm it. Okay. Okay, done. Now we have finished. We have completed our problem. Now our problem actually solved already. We already got the answer. Where is my pen? Here is my pen. If we have solved the problem, now if you want, only if you want, we have solved the problem using right hand side. Using right hand side, right? I told you will get same answer. You should get same answer using left hand side. Now, do you want I do it? We do the left hand side, or we finish here? Tell me. Tell me answer. You want that we should check our result by the left hand side, or you are happy here? Tell me. You are happy we finish here? It is up to you. Your choice. If you want more explanation, then we can do the left hand side. Hello, are you hearing me? Abdullah Saleh. What do you mean by yes? We have 15-minute time. Now, if you don't have any question, this is the end of this chapter. Okay. What do it, please? You want the left hand side also? Hussain Ali? Yes. If you want the left hand side, fine, we'll do that. But before that, here, come back here then. Left hand side. To do the left hand side, we will need to know the reaction. We calculate the reaction where we calculate. Okay, let's just start. We do the left hand side. Now we got the 900, right? Now, if you want to do this is the if you want to do the left hand side, then we have to find the RAH, and RAV. These two things we need to know, right? We need to know this thing. So how can find? Now here we took a moment at A. Now we take moment summation of the. Remember, when we want to take the reaction force, reaction at support, you need to consider the complete structure, whole structure, right? Not only left hand side and right hand side. First step, you have to find the reaction force first. Reaction force. Then we will cut, and then we will solve it. We will analyze the problem. So if we want to take the left hand side part now, left hand side. So in left hand side we have the RA support. RA. This is in left hand side we have this. Right. Now we need to know this reaction first. So I clean it here. It is become clumsy here. It become complicated. So I clean it here and I will show this. We need to find what we have to find. We have to find here the result. We have to find the result. This is, it was 0. Right? We have to find this one. are a vertical force and reaction at a horizontal force. This we have to find. So first we take summation of vertical force. Vertical force we take and upward force positive. So what we have upward force positive RAV. We have RAV. This will not count in our calculation because this is horizontal force. Then we have minus 1200. This is downward. This will not come in our calculation because it is plus. It is horizontal force. Then we have 900 Newton. It is plus. 900 Newton is plus. So there is no other vertical force we have. So easily you can write it is equal to 0. Now tell me, RAV equal to what? This equation very easy, right? Very easy. How much RAV? Someone tell me. This is very easy calculation. 300, yes. So 300 upward, right? Remember, 300 upward, right? 300 Newton. So RAV equal to 300 Newton. Now what we have? What else we have? We have RAH. RAH is very simple. Without any calculation, I can tell you this is summation of horizontal. If we take summation of horizontal and right hand side force is positive, we can take what? Like right hand side, right? RAH. Is there any force horizontal? This is vertical will not come. This is will not come. Not only one we have. So RAH equal to plus 400 to 0, right? There is no other force. So what is RAH? Tell me. RAH value how much? Very easy. Minus 400. Minus 400. Minus 400 Newton, right? Minus means what does mean? We assume it is right hand side. That means we have to change. Yes, correct. Thank you very much. You understood what we have to do. That means that we assume this was not correct. Assume that this right hand direction it was not correct. Correct direction is here. Just we write down there. That's it. Finish. Okay, we need to know that the RAH was 300 and this one. So we already know. Now we go to our freehand diagram. Where our freehand diagram is here. Here was the freehand diagram, right? Now we draw a new freehand diagram, more clear picture, and solve it. We will draw it now. See, so first we draw it now, right? Left hand side is it was like this, left hand side, and then this will be our this force, and this will go joint somewhere here, and this point name is G. This is the force name is FBC. Whatever name you give, no problem. And this is FG. Sorry, what is the name of the GC? GE. GE. No, this point name is not GE. Sorry, this point is not this point, not E. This point name is actually E. This is E point. This is point E. This is G, and this is A. This is A. And please, this is A. Class after class, right? This is A, and here is RAV equal to, we calculate 300 Newton, and this is here RAH equal to how much? 400 Newton, right? Okay, we have completed we have finished our free diagram. Now we can calculate. We can calculate anything you want now. The first easy way you go. Can you tell me what is the angle? This angle theta. Can you tell me theta angle to how much? We already calculated. Theta angle equal to, right? Tell me please. Double check, is correct or not? Tell me please. Is correct because 3/4. Yes, it is 3/4 theta. Now, first we take the moment at E. We take summation of moment at E. Moment at E, anti-clockwise positive. Right? If we take the moment at E, so what happening? It moment at E. FGE force, FGE into 0, because it is going through the point distance 0. If this is B, this is when B. Okay, sorry, I have drawn the wrong picture. I have to delete it out and tell it the correct one. I'm doing something wrong. Sorry, this is not the free body diagram. I'm sorry. This is not. Actually, it is this direction. I'm sorry. I have drawn it wrong way. This is here, right? And it will join here C. So we will not take the moment at E. I'm sorry, it is wrong. We will not take that E. Instead of, we will take moment at actually. We will take moment at C. We will take moment at C. Moment at C point. If we take the C point, so if you take the C point, if BC, if we cut it down, if BC into 0, because it's going to the C point, okay, then if GC also going through the C point, so plus if GC also 0, so we cancel it out, right? Now we have FGE, so we only have FGE. So FGE into distance is how much distance here? How much distance? 3 meter. So FG is into 3 meter, and it is rotating clockwise with respect to C point C. With respect to point, this is the point C. It is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise? It is rotating clockwise, so it is minus, right? So what is force we have? We have this force we calculate. We have this force, right? So with respect to point C, it's rotating clockwise, so it is again minus RAV into distance is from here to here is how much? Tell me please, how much distance? 4 meter and 4 meter, is it? 4 meter, so 8. Distance is 8, and you know that RAV equal to 300. So put the very 300 and then do the calculation. Then what else we have from GC? And GC we have another force, 400. But 400 is what is plus or minus, doesn't matter, because it is going through this point and distance is 0. Now do we have any other forces? We don't have any other forces, so equal to, so we don't have, so calculate the FGE. So calculate FGE now. So calculate FGE equal to how much? We have, this is cancel out, this is cancel out, we have only FGE, right? So FGE is equal to, very simple, so 3 into divided by 3, right? So 800. So 800 plus tension, right? G equal to 800 tension. We got the answer. Without calculation we can see it very simply. The double check is correct or not? Double check please. Double check please. Right? Now already FGE value, right? Now FGE value, if we take FGE, remember in other, from the left hand side, on the right hand side, FGE value, how much we got? FGE value, FGE, where is FGE? FGE 800. Now we also got here FGE 800, right? So same result, as I told you, result will be same. Now we take the summation of vertical force equal to 0. Summation of vertical force equal to 0, right? Now if you take the summation of vertical force is 0, now you see there summation vertical. So we have what force? Horizontal, it will not come in our count. So vertical force is 300. Then what else we have? This will not come in our calculation. Then we have what? FGC plus or minus, because it is downward, it is minus FGC into, so theta, this theta you calculated already, how much you calculated? 36. If it is theta, then vertical force will be sine 36.86, you calculated already. What else force we have? Vertical force, we don't have any other vertical force, so equal to 0. Now FGC equal to, then FGC equal to, then what? Sine 36.86 and 300. Please calculate it. How much the result? FGC FGC is how much? Please calculate quickly. $500 plus or minus? Plus or minus? Tell me. Plus or minus? Plus. So tension. So FGC we got 500 tension. Let's check with our previous result. Our left hand side. FGC, right? FGC 500 plus 500 tension. Okay, so answer is correct, right? Answer is same. Answer is same. Now let's do. We have only one unknown now. Summation of horizontal force. Summation of horizontal force. We assume the right hand side is plus. Right to plus summation horizontal force. First force we have summation of horizontal force. We have 400. So minus 400. Why minus? Because it is left direction. And this will not come in our calculation. This is completely vertical. Then we have FGE. How much the FGE? FGE we calculate 800, right? 800. So plus 800. What else we have? FGC horizontal component, right? FGC. So FGC horizontal component is FGC cos 36.86 and 86 degree, 36.86 degree, and this is 500. You know, it is 500. What else we have? We have plus FBC. Is FBC? There is no other horizontal forces equal to 0. FBC. Now tell me the FBC. Just calculate FBC. Tell me what is the result. Tell me. Please tell me what is the result. Minus 800, right? It's minus 800. Minus 800. That means our minus 800 meaning this direction to right side was wrong. So what we have to do is just remove it and place it correctly. It will be left side direction, and we will write this is 800 compression. Now FBC is the 800 compression. Let's check with our previous calculation. FBC is minus FBC is 800 compression, right? We calculated before 800 compression, right? So you select the left hand side, you select the suitable section, and you take left hand side, or you take right hand side. Doesn't matter. If your calculation correct, result will be same, right? If your calculation, if your steps correct, if your process is correct, if your calculation is correct, if three things correct, the answer will be correct. Answer will be, of course, answer will be correct. Any questions so far? We have 1 minute time, and this is the end of this chapter. Okay, in this section, in this chapter, and you have next Thursday. You have a quiz. You will have a quiz next Thursday. That means
and
next class. Sorry.
And it becomes next week. And it comes next week, the quiz?
No, Thursday. In chapter 5 is syllabus is chapter 5.
Yeah, but only next week. We need only.
I told
you are so busy for this week,
Doctor. You give me 45 signature,
yeah,
right?
But now is everything online. So where I can find all the students?
And where
how can I find them?
I need 44. Even 44 signature is not enough. I need exactly 45 signature. So, and if you can give me at 6 p.m. at 6 p.m. if you can give me the 45 signature, then it's okay. Otherwise Thursday. Otherwise next class is a quiz. I don't want to hear anything, right? Because
now you know it's online. How can I collect all this?
One student will go to the dean and he will complain. The doctor, at the same time, I have another quiz, so complain, right? So I don't want to hear that. You tell me, you give me 45 signature by today 6 p.m. or you take exam next class, Thursday.
But doctor, please listen to me. Now you know all things online. How can I collect all this? Tell me, give me a solution. I will do it. No problem.
You send them the email. You send them the email and you ask them. Okay, you send the WhatsApp.
Okay.
And you give me the.
It's fine. It's fine if everyone make the in paper and send me by photo. I collect them to send to you. Fine.
Yes. 45 signature. You take you send the paper and take the photo and you send the exactly 45 signature. Okay.
Okay.
By what time? Tell me. Today?
Yes, today I will try.
Today, okay. I can give you more time. 8 p.m. Right?
Okay, problem. I'll try.
Because I have to make question. If you give 44 signature, that means Thursday is exam. So I have to prepare the question.
Okay, doctor.
All right. Okay. Any question? Anything else you have? Tell me. If you don't have any question, I want to close this session now because I have a meeting.